Hey guys, so today I decided to paint my nails with the shade Eleni from Zoya's Barefoot 2019 collection. And this is a gorgeous mint. And after that, I decided to put a topper over the tip with Dallas. So these two shades come in the Zoya Barefoot collection, and you can order it on their website. This is Eleni. And this is Dallas. And I wanted to just show you how nice this topper looks on these nails. So as you can see, I've done two of these, and I'm going to do the other two here. So it's really, really simple. You don't really need a steady hand. And all you do is gently glide over the tip. My nails aren't super long. You can even dab it. I did a little Facebook live video that I posted on my Facebook page showing how I did these two nails. So go check that out if you want. But pretty much just like that. And that's it. And then for the next one, very simple. I'm going to keep this pretty short and sweet, but that's it. And if you get a little bit too globby on the tip, so just let it dry and then finish it up with a top coat. And that's about it. So here you have it. Really pretty. And my thumb, this is how short my thumb is. And I was able to get it on my short thumb. So no complaining. I don't want to hear anybody say that, oh, my nails are too short, I can't do a French manicure tip. Because guess what? You can. You can do whatever you want. There we go. Really pretty. So they look so good. I'm really excited about it. Again, really, really pretty. Very simple. And finishing it up, I'm going to use the Naked Glossy Top Coat and just quickly seal in the nails with this. And they look gorgeous. Gorgeous. That's it. Thanks for watching.